Ngizamnyanizo.
Mina ngimile ngale.
Anyanizo.
Akuyika hambile ke majets.
Mara mfethu mara like come on angakesi. Uhamba amanzi ugesi.
Hambisa amanzi.
Danga sesivotile awena ngane. And manje amanzi awekho. Mana wena kumnandi abamanzi wena manje. Ezusho wena kumnandi kuwe ngithi ama point awafani ngiveza ipoint lokuthi wena uthi kumnandi waliveza lihlala etafuleni yabo hami lokuthi akukho mnandi ngiyalibeka ngibeka etafuleni so lento right uya so
Manje uvezele yakho.
ya ukunya uthola bahamba naliphi yangithola ngamavuti ngama followers
uyazilungiselela kuqala phela obviously akusuthi njengoba lamanzi ahamba abanineka nginotice
Manje dancing.
bavuthela for days baba wena
Sathi Saturday.
sure
Saturday kusasa
Sunday man
Basoye kugeze ke.
sajogeza
notasona amahlazo kusasa
Yeah, basoye kugeze ke.
phela mina lamanzi wachili kahle ngisothe
Yeah, yabo.
mina vele mina ngisothethe yabo
yabona ugesi awubhankeka ngeke ngiyokhipha ugesi banke kwathi ugesi
abanye abanamafoni
ngiyobhanka ukuthi mina ngiyangithatha bona mabahambile mina ngiyawuchipa la
Gesi awukhi.
ngiyangithola ngiyawuspanisa nick stop
Gesi.
come on dog at least amanzi
but don't you can buy a generator to buy solar systems
Iyayibamba manje nakhutha ngishayekile isimo siyabheda. Sithini le ndaba?
opportunity every generator
When unayo.
sometimes I'm sure we work hard that's what and even we think out of the box not inside the box that's what
Anengitsheleli lapho umsebenzi wegovernment yini.
yeah thank you
Wena manje muphi abangothola ungathi generate.
yeah msebenzi government thank you uhambe usugezi maybe providing ama generator mele nani
government job
you have the right to remain silent
the government must provide people with resources. These basic resources that are a need, not a want in the community. That's the government work. He needs to provide better lives for the community.
Yeah, better what?
Better resources
For the community. In resources njengani generator what
Akusisponsor government ukuthenga generator.
Makambukisi.
Your own will ukuthenga generator.
Bheka makambukisi angisho lapha manje ngeke umuntu
Mina ngithini? Iba mina point lami ngithini? Mina ugovernment, sponsor government. Ugovernment kumele ngabe umake sure ukuthi ngaba negesi ayihambi ki. A promise abantu ukuthi intanga igesi angeke ivale. Ngithola unless amanzi. Phela amanzi intanga at least amanzi siyakwazi ukuba contain. Sisibekele wona mhlambe for a week makuthiwa amanzi azohamba for a week so abankini kuba ngamapaketi amaningi uyayithola igesi tanga unfortunately tanga asikwazi tanga ukuthi prepare abantu abayemsebenzini abakwazi ukuprepare ngithola ukuzilungisela baya eSpanini ngithola abantu imisebenzi like esebenza
ngemisebenzi government ayizothini
imisebenzi le esebenza
umsebenzi ka government ukuthini ukufeza isithembiso sabo even noma ugesi uhambile bathe ugesi ngikuhambe mele basipha ama generators sibone ngathi ugesi awuhamba ngkhona uyangithola you get my point mara nje ayampeka government nje
government asiphi generator
yeah imali bayiphi imali khona yeah imali bhaya ntwana imali ningi nje ayamba bangabona babafuna lo no ama 350 banipha 350 kahle temancane awumize malema wathi makuzophatha yena uholiswa ubani mayo Ramaphosa no malema ikubeka phansi bayoholiswa ubani beyangakasiphathi unamanga ngithola musa ukuthi usiphathi wathini if awuspan but no grade 12 uyohola if nebachela awuspan uyothola imali le mali beyophuma ezi ukuthi namanje bangayenza lezi zinto ezina kanjalo tanga ukuthi government inemali lot of money tanga it's man corruption man ndoda ngithola
some of this I think it's embezzlement
yeah ngithola embezzlement
that's why you are
benefiting for your own
resources like water because tanga manzi it's a need it's not a want we need
yeah
we need water to survive in order we can achieve those small obstacles that they come along our path endleleni yethu because nabona namanje nesiwomile bafethu sidingeka amanzi
nomlemo ukuthi yaqala umbasha yabona ungaphala uriksi womile
siwomile bafethu siwomile
so unayo ngisuthenga
nayo wine cold drink.
No, ayifuneki manje, sifunika amanzi. I-cold drink ungayiphuza kusalayo manje 2 minutes uzofuna amanzi. I-point le yangisona. Ngoba manje uzenza abaningi nabo bathi bayisihalela i-cold drink still bayiphuze kulabo bazomisa khona more.
Avele nami lapho ngivumelana nawe.
Thank you.
Isikhala
Sovalalisa amanzi. Sama kuma kunjaya manje tanga mara huko. Government jamona ubona ukuthi awucabangi ukuthi unayo imali ukuthi sina sonke singaba right intanga nje yami sokuthi ama informal settlement intanga abe right ukuze abe formal nawo tanga wena mawucabanga ugovernment akanayo imali le engakho ukuthi angalungisa.
Tanga shuthi tanga mina engitshela yona labantu banayo imali ayithola. Net manje yiza tanga into ebayisho tanga ukuthi let the comrades it's first. Manje ngiphelela la ngakuyo.
Yes, ayishekela yami. That is okay. It's
Let the comrades eat first.
Yeah, let the comrade eat first. Yangithola. Njengamanje i-ANC yane most yabo yespanayo yangithola. Yabona sometimes the racism ikhona somewhere la yangithola manje. Ngoba mangathi siyabheka ama system yabantu abavotile abaningi ane ANC the most abantu abaspanayo yangithola. Uchinja moso span ukuthi asovotile MK something. You know why? Because my phone njengoba eshinja yami yangithola mfethu. Uthi mfethu
ngina ngeconnection.
intanga mfethu yabona manje. Let the comrade eat first cabanga mfethu nje yami yangithola. And ke mabakumushiwa kanjalo la ngidliwa imali. Awuthi kudliwa igidi. Igidi zamarandi la.
And uthatha ubheka lezo mali labo abazidlayo bazidla reckless.
Awutanga bayacabuka. Yeah, even you can promise the South Africa or you can promise but when you see this money, Jayam, shit, you're gonna lose your mind because I was why party man ngaphi yele boy crave and so la ukhohle ukuthi wena buya phi and so la mos Jayam uyabamba man.
You know what's the problem ne? I think mina ne because I want to government ne those pets akusukuthi usponsor akho ukuthi ezazo check out ukuthi kunjani imali
into ngisho
unabasebenzi ekumele bamonitor
wena dog
ukuthi yena ugovernment maka chipa something yangithola anikeza la
iphelela kulaba
phela manje ayipheleli la kuya ngithola sekayibona TP
sikhawasa yibo laba ngabe intanga pheka sigrand simuja ziyabonakala zimhlophe manje tanga
simuja intanga bethu labantu laba tanga le system yangithola
manje manje ayodonsa
mina into engayisho mina ukuthi yeah we are facing hard times
akhumuna na time
imalokishi
ngitshintanga and manje sibavede ngenxa yabo kanje mama ayiba basenza sibe kanje yangithola siyami mina ngibe vede kanje ngibe angry kanje akuthi no I was born angry yangithola wena uzongifoma ngibe angry bathi ligoba lisesemanzi mfethu yangithola ngoba uzolithi kakhulu liphuke ngephutha angithola kanti bona abalithi nje yena ngithola manje nathi asakwazi manje kuma informal settlement ngambheka amanzi awekho ngithola ungathola ukuthi ngale kule ndawo zabo ba right intwana yami angithola ba right intanga nje yami ngithola
such things they don't like abasweli tanga amanzi tanga abasweli yes tanga aba experience into ukuthi tanga bazohanjelwa yes phela abantu labo tanga banemali yangithola le abayidlayo kumele ngabe bayashare tanga bayidistribute ukuthi tanga si community kuyabona tanga
ngama programs bavula ama programs la
solidarity
mfethu nje yami babuild ama program tanga yabona mangabuild ama program ntwana yakutshela mina nasi yangithola singaba right na
Trejo Tebugo from Turf Loop, but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, Lang Tray Studio, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung